Students, today we have to discuss about the image formation by concave mirror. Okay, so see, I am drawing a figure here of the concave mirror here. Okay, this is the concave mirror. Okay, so you can see that in this figure, this is the back side of the mirror and this is the front side of the mirror. Okay, this is pole, we have already discussed it. This is the pole, the middle part of or the center of the, this is actually the curvature. This is called curvature. This is the part of the sphere actually. So this is pole, the center part. This one is focus. This one is called as center of curvature. Okay, and the line which goes past through the middle or goes past through the pole of the mirror is called principal axis. So this line is actually principal axis. This is pole, this is center of curvature, this is focus. Focus, where the focus is there in the sphere mirror actually, we can see there are so many lines I have drawn. These are called the incident ray, the rays of light which falls on the mirror. This is the front part of the mirror. So many rays of light are falling on the mirror. After striking the mirror, it diverts the path of the ray, and this ray is called as the reflected. It has reflected after striking the mirror. So after reflecting from the mirror, you can see there all the rays are reflecting and come together at a common point, and this common point is known as the focus. Okay, so focus, you can see all are the incident ray, here I have given arrow here. Arrow is saying in which direction the ray is going. You have to give the arrow here also. So all of these are the incident ray and all of these are the reflected ray. All the reflected ray meeting at a common point, and that common point is actually the principal focus or focus. Okay, so in this way the image is formed in the concave mirror, and you can see this is the front part of the mirror. So whenever the image is formed on the front part of the mirror, it always real and inverted, because it is forming on the front part of the mirror. But in one condition it will form whenever the image is formed on the back side or behind the mirror, that will be virtual and erect. When virtual and erect, when it is formed on behind the mirror, and when it is formed in the front of the mirror, it is always real and inverted. And you can see there the rays after reflection actually meet at these points, so whenever the rays after reflection actually meet, I have explained it already, it will be called as real image. And when it appears to meet at a point, when you can see I have drawn this is the object I have drawn. It is incided on here, it is striking on the mirror. After that it has reflected like that, but it has reflected to go in this side, and after you can see there, you can assume there the rays are meeting at this point. So this is called, actually it is appear to meet, and whenever it is meet here it will be the image formed. So whenever the image is formed behind the mirror, it is always virtual. So virtual image, whenever the rays of light after reflection appear to meet at a point, means seems to meet. Appear to meet means seems to meet, that is called the virtual image. Okay, now we can see I have made a box here how the image is forming in concave mirror. We have seen the figure of the concave mirror. So try to understand what I have drawn here. We have made a box here. In the first column, I have written there object location. This is object location. In the second column, image location. Okay. And the third column, nature of image. And the last one, size of image. 4 of these terms you have to write in the first box, first row actually. So what is object location? Means where the object is placed, that is the location. Where the object is kept actually in the mirror, where it is kept keeping. So this is the object location. See here, there are 6 conditions. You can see in the book, it is only 4 conditions given in the book. But you can see, we have taken here 6 conditions. First one, you can see at infinity. Infinity means at infinite distance, no limitation is there of distance. So whenever the object is there at infinity, where the image is formed, at focus. That is abbreviated as F, capital F, that is principal focus also called as. And what is the nature? Nature can be real or virtual. This is the nature of image. Okay, nature can be real and virtual. So when object is at infinity, the image is formed at focus, and the nature of image will be real and inverted. Remember it, whenever the nature of image is real, it will always be inverted. This is ulta, I have already said. And what is the size of the image? That is highly diminished. Highly diminished. Okay, diminished means very small. Highly diminished means very, very small. Okay, this is the size of the image. Size can be diminished, size can be enlarged, size can be same size. So this is 3 types of size are there of the image. So it is highly diminished in first condition. Second condition, beyond C means center of curvature. You can see in the figure where the C is there. C is there. So whenever the object is here, where the image is formed. The image is formed between C and F. You can see when object is beyond C, the image is formed between C and F. Where is the place between C and F? Here is C, here is F. So you can take here at some points it is the image is forming. When the object is here, the image will be formed between C and F. Okay, and what is the nature? Nature will be between C and nature will be real and inverted. I have given this one the symbol of the same thing. Okay, you have done in the previous in mathematics that you know about the symbol of this one. Symbol, you can see real and inverted. Nature of image and size is always again diminished. You can see size is diminished. Okay. Third condition, at C, when object is at C. So where is C? When object is here, where the image is formed. Again you can see when object is at C, the object is at always remain as image is also always remained at C. So on the same place object and image will be there. And again nature will be real and inverted again, and the size of the image will be as the same size of the object. Same size. You can see here same size. When object is at C, the image is formed at C, the nature will be real and inverted, and the size will be of the same size of the object. The fourth condition you can see there, when object is between C and F. C and F. Where the image is formed beyond C. We have seen where the beyond C means just beyond C. This C beyond C. This means at this place you can take. So beyond C it is forming. Again it is real and inverted, and it is now it is enlarged means bigger size. Bigger size image will be formed when the object at between C and F. The image is formed beyond C. It is real and inverted, and it will be enlarged in size. The fifth condition is at focus. F for focus, where image is formed at infinity. Again it is real and inverted, the nature, and the size will be again enlarged. Okay, And the last one, the sixth condition is there, when object is between F and P. P means pole of the mirror. Okay, the middle part of the reflective surface, a spherical reflective surface is called pole. So when the object is between F and P, where the image is formed, you can see here behind the mirror. The image is formed behind in all the condition you would have seen that the image has been formed in front of the mirror. That's why it is real and inverted. I have already explained. And when in the last condition you can say there is a change, it is forming behind the mirror. So where you can see here it is forming behind the mirror, okay, at the last condition. And where is the object? When the object is between F and P. Man, what is the place between F and P? This is the place we can, there is an object. When it is striking the mirror here, it gets reflected from here, and then it will, when you extend it here, extrapolate here, there is the image formed. So this is the behind back side of the mirror. So we can say the image is forming behind the mirror. And when image is formed behind the mirror, it always virtual and erect. You can see it is the nature of the image, the virtual and erect, E-R-E-C-T, erect means seedha, straight. And what is the size of the image? It is highly enlarged, means very very big size it will be formed. Okay, so these are the terms you have to look at, and I am sending you to this video, and you have to point out all the points what I have sent here in your copy. In your fair copy, you have to, this is very much important things, how the image is formed in the concave mirror. So you have to see it very very carefully, all of you. Okay.